Ford Explorer.
Ford Explorer?
Person was complaining about drifting backwards when he's on a hill.
Yeah, drifting back. Okay, let's go. So he's gonna start it up and put the brakes on, so you can see what happened here. You got it in drive. You got the brakes on. The wheels are not moving, front or forward. You got the brakes on, Billy. Okay. Brakes are on. Brakes are on in the back, but the drive shaft is turning. It's in drive. And the drive shaft is turning. So what we see back here is that this axle has popped out. You see the axle there? So the reason the drive shaft is moving, because that's the explanation of Mr. Mo. Go ahead, I'm listening.
Well, the axle's not in. So one side is it being a limited slip. One side's gonna lock in, the other side's going to start to try to move. If both axles aren't locked into the rear differential, then there's nothing stopping the drive shaft from trying to go. So it's going to have a jerking motion. There's nothing actually stopped. Brake stops the drive shafts, which stops the drive shaft, or the brake stop the axles, which stops the drive shaft. So with this being popped out, there's nothing stopping it. There's only stopping on one side. So this one's slipping, which is in turn turning the drive shaft.
Now this popped out, we don't know why, but we do know that there's some broken springs here on both sides. Let me see. Yeah, broken spring right there, and
that's really broken.
Broken here, right there,
right here, and right there,
and right up top. Don't know if it had something to do with it or not, but one thing is certain, we're gonna push this back in. It popped out, but we're gonna push it in just to make sure that we verify what we say. Once it goes in, it should stop this drive shaft. But this is the reason why it was rolling back. It couldn't stop when she put it in park. Okay, let us push this thing in. Okay, Billy.